Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this New Year's spin on, literally, on a fractal. So I have two of these gorgeous bats, and I'm going to do a fancy version of a 2-ply fractal, which I will explain in just a moment because it's really hard to follow. So we'll see if I can do that. Anyway, I am spinning this on Christmas Day because I didn't have the children with me. They spend Christmas with their dad. And it was just a relaxing moment for me to go ahead and get started on my New Year's spin. It takes me anywhere from 3 days to 3 weeks to get a video filmed, edited, and uploaded since I cannot upload from my house. So I have to go see my mom or go to the library or something to be able to upload videos. So I am filming this way in advance, and I'm not sure it was in advance enough. But hopefully you'll get to watch this on New Year's Day. So before I get too far into it, I would like to give a very warm welcome to new viewers and a welcome back to returning viewers. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos as they come out. And as always, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comment section below. There is a poll up on my channel asking what types of videos that you are interested in watching more of in 2024. Please go check that out if you haven't already and let me know what your thoughts are, because I want the coming year to add value to you. So you tell me what you want to see in 2024. All right, housekeeping over with. Just playing around with the whorls there to see which ratio I needed, and just kind of waiting until it felt right. So with two of these bats, I'm going to strip them both down, but on the first one, each strip I spin end to end until it is done, and then on the second bat, I will take the strips. I will strip the whole bat down at once. I will lay out the strips in order of color as they were carded, and then I will split them in half, and one half I will spin end to end, one strip at a time, and then I will take the other half and I will split it into, I think, thirds. I don't remember exactly how I did this, but I ended up with each section being shorter and shorter and shorter color repeats. So descending width sort of idea within the fractal. I may have taken the second half and split it in two and then had 2 repeats the first half. Oh my goodness. I divided the strips into 3. That's what I did. And then the first third I spun end to end, 1 strip at a time. The second third I split in half, and the last third I split into 3. And so I ended up with shorter and shorter repeats. Ooh, that was hard to explain and hard to remember exactly what I did because it was all spontaneous, not planned out. And it was a lot of fun. And I love the resulting yarn, which you will see at the end. So I'm going to quit blathering on and let you just enjoy the video. Please leave your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this. And if you feel up to it, share your New Year's plans, resolutions, goals, whatever, with us in the comments. Bye, guys.